Fun with fire. Tonight we're doing a little aerial assortment pack. It's called Ace Aerial from TNT Fireworks. This came in an assortment I got like a year ago. It's got 4 pieces. Shoots flaming balls. Ace. Ace. And there's your item number, the APE 610. Now, as you can see, these are all individual single shots. You got the red, the blue, the yellow, and the green. Some of them are upside down and some of them are not. Now, I don't know if these are all the same or not. I'm going to open one up and see if there's a performance. It doesn't say anything about a performance. It doesn't say if they're all the same or not. I would think they should be all different. Ace red, ace blue, ace yellow, ace green. Ace in the hole! So let's see if ace is the place for your pyro needs. Let's check it out. Ace.